Hi, I'm Peter Foley. I'm the owner of Functional Fitness Supply, and I've just attended the event at Tally, Middle East. We had a very informative seminar regarding VAT and how the Tally system can help us comply with UAE regulations. Coming to the event, I was excited to learn more about VAT and how Tally can help us, as it's been something as a business owner that's very much been on my mind over the last 6 months since learning of VAT in the UAE. The seminar was conducted in a very professional manner, very informative, and we were made very welcome here at the Tally office. I'm leaving the event feeling much more comfortable and have a much clearer vision in my mind of how we're going to deal with the VAT and how we'll ensure that we stay compliant. I'd just like to thank Tally ERP for today's seminar. We're very much looking forward to working with you, and I would recommend the seminar and workshop to anybody who's got headaches with taxation.